A mother called police after
Child
her
is in the backseat.
ex-boyfriend
I
drove
got visual
away
of the
with her
child.
2-month-old
Police
baby
respond to
still
a child
inside
abuse
the car.
after 20
Before
year old
officer
Brenton
could
Howland
stop
pushed his
him, he sent
ex-girlfriend
a
out of his
chilling
car
message
while
to
speeding
the
away with her
baby's mother.
2-month-old baby still in
What
the back
happened
seat.
next
Brenton
led to
texted the
a
mother,
dangerous
"I'm not sorry for
high-speed
what has
police
just happened,
chase.
but I'm sorry for what's about to happen."
A3, he's fleeing, he's fleeing.
10 for which direction?
Mount Zion towards Dixie, Mount Zion towards Dixie. Towards Kenton County. Left lane.
Left lane.
Just to be clear, he is in a vehicle.
Blue vehicle, temp tags, yep.
65.
They're still continuing down eastbound.
Does Independence have anybody with him yet?
Negative, passing Calvary, just myself and Independence. He just cut another car off right here.
The driver was reaching a speed of over 80 miles per hour.
With us
with the
too,
baby
and
still
we're
in the backseat.
passing Pinebrook. Just ran the red light, making a left on Mayhair. Negative, stayed on Independence. We're on Independence Station, passing Carrabba Lane or something like that.
Okay, I got Independence coming now. They're coming on the Independence station.
6, Sim County to Walt Nicholson. We're just going to connect. Bank Walt Nicholson.
All right, he's coming right towards those guys. So right now, I'm up on a set of railroad tracks. See which way he goes. He went left on Banklet.
Left on Bankwood. K135, you may be able to intercept southbound on Bankwood towards Walt Nicholson.
Called that.
I got another county car here. I'm not sure where they went to. Copy that, yes. I'm not sure which way he turned here at this intersection. Did you see a blue car go by here fast?
That's where they think he turned possibly right.
Copy, turned right.
Definitely has the child with him, visibly.
The child is in the back seat. I got visual of the child at the gas pumps.
They're
Officers now
southbound
confirmed the
Dixie
baby
passing the
was
high
still
school.
inside the vehicle.
Southbound Dixie passing high school. Let them know it's
35 miles.
Passing the high school, Dixie and Kenton County, or we're talking Boone?
And it's 27, I'll call it. Still southbound, coming up on the intersection.
copy southbound coming up on Depot Street.
Seconds later, the chase came to the dramatic end.
I just got hit.
Copy, unit involved in QC.
Suspect vehicle into the church.
'95. Suspects complaining of a broken back and broken ribs.
You can advise squad to come down Needmore Street to Main. It's the best place to get to us for the baby.
Say hi to Uncle Nick. Hi. He's gonna yank you right out of that car. He was. Yeah, I saw him.
Yeah. I took glass.
You gotta get checked out for it. I know.
Officers immediately rushed
Was
to
in
rescue
the
the
car
baby.
seat, no base, just a regular seatbelt on it. Everybody's looking out of consciousness over there, right? Yep.
Baby, okay?
Baby seems stable.
I got the best end of the deal here. I commandeered it from the old man.
Yeah. Although I want to say I got more experience.
Well, no, I'm running grandchildren.
Yeah, but how many are you up to?
6.
Oh, we're tied.
And I got 3. I got 2 of my own.
You win.
Yeah, he's going in and out of consciousness. Started to gargle on his own spit here and there. That's why I rolled him over on the side.
Can you cuff him in the front, or do you rather not do that?
Yeah, absolutely. Used to, we can, but I'd rather not.
If you have to, then we will.
I'm
but-
just
saying, like, if you're going to be on his back, that's going to hurt.
Consequences. Running with a baby in the car. We're going to have to pick you up, Brenton. We're going to roll you over, buddy.
Okay, I'll cover my hands.
My wrist was locked up.
Baby, okay? Yeah. We're gonna need anybody to ride with us.
Brenton Howland, 20 years old, was charged with felony fleeing resulting in a crash, domestic violence, and endangering the welfare of a child, along with multiple counts of wanton endangerment and other traffic-related offenses. His bond was set at $1 million. He was transported to UC Medical Center with non-life-threatening injuries. The 2-month-old child was taken to the hospital and made a full recovery before being reunited with the mother. After the suspect crashed into the police cruiser, the impact pushed the cruiser into a Jeep. The victims inside the Jeep were checked by medics at the scene, but declined to be taken to the hospital. Sergeant Nagy, the officer involved in the crash, was also transported to the hospital for treatment and is
Thankfully,
now
the
recovering
baby
at home at
survived
the
and
time
was
of this video being
reunited with
published.
the mother.
Brenton
The
Howland is
suspect
innocent
was
unless
later
proven
charged with
guilty
the
in a court
multiple
of law.
serious offenses.